Now let us see the last difference between proc and lambda. So we have created a method here. Inside that we have created a block and call that proc, and this is the output. So inside the method is executed, then a dot call is executed, it is calling inside the block, and after that this one is calling. So don't confuse. If you write this one here, a dot call, and execute it, see here, inside the block, outside the block. First outside the block will be executed and then inside the block will be executed. That's all. See, now first outside the block is executed, after that it is calling the block. So that is the difference. So the difference between lambda is when we press a break statement. Let us say break. Now let us save it, execute it. See here, first it is showing some error because so actually break statement we will be using inside the loop. So that's why the proc, whenever using the proc for the block, it will be showing some error and then executing the code. Let us see here, inside and outside, and after that when it is going, so let me place this here. Now ll, now save it, execute it. See here, once this one is executed and the execution is inside the block is written inside the block, and this is coming out and giving also a error, and this outside block is never getting executed because it is called after this. It is breaking means it should actually come out of the block, but it is coming out of the method, and it is also showing some error. Now let us show with lambda. Save it, execute it, no error. So we can use break statement without any effect. We can use it in the lambda. So first this one is printed, next it is calling the block, inside the block is executed, break statement just comes out of this block, and then this one outside the block is printed. So hope you understood. This were the only two differences between lambda and proc. According to your requirement you can use them. Hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet in the next video with another topic.